Hi guys, Ruggero here from One Foot in the Door. Luck and Boone gave me a very good question today, yet another one. So thank you very much, Luck and Boone. And the question is, I have a problem in understanding and using stakes in the scene, and also how to raise stakes. So, the raising the stakes, or in general, the stakes in the scene is something that is very important. It's fundamental to understand, okay? Basically, what it means is how important for the character is it, whatever is happening in the scene, okay? So, what's at stake is a metaphor that imagines that the scene, what happens in the scene, it's as if it was like a poker game, and your character has put in the game something that he will stand to lose if he loses the scene, okay? So that's why we say what's at stake. So will your character lose his house if he doesn't manage to convince his friend to help him rob a bank? Those are the stakes. The house is what's at stake. Sometimes, obviously, this is not so obvious and so in your face, and like, this is what I'm losing, okay? So the general idea of when a director tells you, you need to raise the stakes, it means you need to make us feel that whatever is happening matters. Whatever is the scene about is really, really important for you, for your character, okay? So it doesn't matter if you're doing a comedy and it's just a silly thing or a super intense thriller or drama. That's not important. The point is, for the character, whatever is happening is extremely important. So how do you raise the stakes? So first of all, keep this in mind in your interpretation, that you really want whatever it is that your character is trying to achieve, for example, okay? And then, weirdly enough, slow down. I know this sounds weird, but especially on camera, remember what I said many times, screen acting is a lot more about the thought process. It's about allowing the audience to read into the character's head, what the character is thinking or feeling, and really going into this emotional journey with them. A lot of times what happens when actors are going through the lines too quickly, as if they were on stage, which has a completely different dynamics, okay? That is about the rhythm, it's about the energy. Screen acting is completely different. If actors go through the lines too quickly as if they were on stage, they start skipping important reactions, important moments that we need to not just see but really feel, in order to feel how important whatever is happening is to the characters. Check out what happens if I remove all the poses from this great performance and I make the actresses pick up their cues as if they were on stage.
But I have no enmity with you.
Except to seed rebellion and to deceive me time and time again.
If you still seek my protection, you would do well to watch your words.
I will not be scolded by my inferior.
You're inferior.
I am a Stuart, which gives me greater claim to England than you possess.
I had this made because I wanted to present the best version of myself.
And now compare it with the original.
But I have no enmity with you.
Except to seed rebellion and to deceive me time and time again.
If you still seek my protection, you would do well to watch your words.
I will not be scolded by my inferior.
You're inferior.
I am a Stuart, which gives me greater claim to England than you possess.
I had this made because I wanted to present the best version of myself.
Can you see how much less impactful the first performance is? Because they're skipping all those important moments and reactions, it kind of feels like they don't really care, that this is not really as important as it should be. It feels like the stakes are lower. So that's the main thing. Slow down, especially your reactions. Allow us the time to see them, especially the most important and pivotal moments in each scene. So identify beforehand what are the moments that matter the most to your character. What are the moments where your character is winning, is maybe managing to achieve something, and where are the moments that instead he's losing. And maybe he needs a moment to regroup or to take it in, the fact that things are not going his way. Those little moments, those little nuances are absolutely fundamental, because those are the moments when we really connect with you, when we really come on the emotional journey with you. If you don't take your time to do those, to show us those emotions, and you just skip through on the next line, it will feel as if your character doesn't care about what's happening. And I see this loads of times, guys. Like, the actors just power through it and that's it, and it doesn't work. It doesn't work because they're not taking the time. Obviously, there's a ton of exceptions to this. Another way of raising the stakes and showing us that you care might sometimes be to actually speed up, to be more desperate. Again, it really depends on the scene. There's no one rule fits all. But the general idea of stakes is this. It's whatever's happening has a real impact on your character, and something that really matters, that your character really desperately wants or needs. And that's what it means. You need to show us that want and that need. I hope that makes it a little clearer. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you very much, Luck and Boon, for this, as always. And as usual, guys, if you can please like and share this video, it really helps. So, and also give us a thumbs up if you can. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.